the ultimate guide to 2025 tax refunds. What you need to know to get your money faster. Tax season is here, and for millions of Americans, that means one thing: refunds are on the way. But let's be honest, navigating the IRS maze can feel like trying to solve a puzzle blindfolded. Delays, confusing transcript codes, and unexpected notices can turn what should be a straightforward process into a headache. What if I told you that understanding a few key details could make all the difference between waiting weeks for your refund and getting it in record time? Whether you're counting on that refund to pay off bills, cover unexpected expenses, or just give yourself some breathing room, this guide will walk you through everything you need to know about the 2025 tax season. From the latest IRS statistics to refund schedules, potential delays, and how to decode those mysterious transcript codes, we've got you covered. Let's dive in. The latest IRS statistics. Fewer returns, bigger refunds. Let's start with the numbers. As of now, the IRS has received 23.6 million tax returns for the 2025 filing season. That's a 7.7% drop compared to the 25.5 million returns received at the same time last year. Similarly, the number of processed returns is slightly lower, with 23.5 million returns processed so far, a 7.6% decrease from 2024. But here's the good news. If you're one of the lucky ones getting a refund, you're likely to see a bigger payout this year. The average refund amount has jumped by 18.6%, rising from 741 IN 2024 T O 1,741 in 2024, to 2,065 in 2025. That's a significant increase. What's more, the total number of refunds issued has also gone up. So far, the IRS has sent out 8.05 million refunds compared to 7.48 million at this time last year. While fewer people are filing returns overall, those who do are walking away with more money in their pockets. But before you start planning how to spend that refund, let's talk about when you can expect to see it. When will you get your refund? The 2025 refund schedule explained. The burning question on everyone's mind is, when will my refund arrive? The IRS says that most refunds are processed within 21 days for electronically filed returns. However, if you filed a paper return, you'll need to brace yourself for a longer wait, potentially 4 weeks or more, before processing even begins. To give you a clearer picture, here's a breakdown of the estimated refund schedule for 2025. If you file electronically and choose direct deposit, you can expect your refund within 21 days of the IRS accepting your return. If you file a paper return, processing can take 4 weeks or longer, and your refund may not arrive until 6 to 8 weeks after filing. If you claim the Earned Income Tax Credit, EITC, or Additional Child Tax Credit, ACTC, the IRS holds these refunds for extra verification. Even if you file early, your refund won't be issued before mid-February. Most EITC and ACTC refunds are expected to be sent by the 3rd of March, provided there are no issues with your return. One thing to keep in mind is that some refunds arrive earlier than expected. This happens when banks release funds as soon as they receive notification from the IRS, rather than waiting for the official deposit date. So, if your refund status says sent but heavy, how to check your refund status? The Where's My Refund tool. Wondering where your refund is? The IRS has a handy tool called Where's My Refund that lets you track your refund status in real time. Here's how it works. If you filed electronically, you can check your refund status 48 hours after submission. If you filed by mail, it might take 4 weeks before any updates appear. The tool provides a personalized refund date once the IRS processes and approves your return. It's a simple, stress-free way to stay informed about your refund without having to call the IRS. But what if your refund is taking longer than expected? Let's talk about potential delays and what they mean. Potential refund delays. What you need to know: refund delays can be frustrating, but they're not uncommon. If your refund is taking longer than expected, it could be due to a variety of reasons. One of the most common causes is the appearance of certain transcript codes on your tax return. Here's a breakdown of the most important codes to watch out for. Code 570. This means the IRS has placed a hold on your refund for review. It could be a routine check, or they might need to verify your wages or credits before releasing your refund. Code 971. This indicates that the IRS has sent you a notice, which might require additional information from you. If you see this code, don't panic. It's often a simple request for clarification. Code 846. This is the code you want to see. It means your refund has been approved and is on its way. If you see codes 570 or 971, it's a good idea to have your documents ready, such as your W-2 or 1099 forms. The IRS might request these to verify your income or credits. In some cases, they may also send you a CP05 notice, which means they're reviewing your return for accuracy. This process can take up to 60 days, so patience is key. What if your refund is adjusted or reduced? Sometimes the IRS adjusts your refund amount, which can be disappointing. If you see tax topic 151, it means your refund has been reduced due to errors or discrepancies. The IRS will send you a notice explaining the adjustment, and you'll have the option to appeal if necessary. Common reasons for adjustments include unpaid federal debts, such as past due child support or unpaid student loans, errors on your return, such as incorrect income or credit calculations. If you receive a 12C letter, the IRS is asking for additional documents before processing your return. Responding within 20 days is critical to avoid further delays, and if you see code 841, it means your refund was cancelled, and you'll need to initiate a payment trace with the IRS to get it reissued. How to avoid delays. Pro tips for a smooth refund process. Nobody wants to deal with refund delays, so here are some tips to help you avoid them. File electronically. E-filing is faster and more accurate than paper filing, reducing the chances of errors. Choose direct deposit. This is the quickest way to receive your refund. Double-check your return. Make sure all your information is accurate, including your Social Security number, income, and credits. Verify your identity. If the IRS flags your return for identity verification, respond promptly to avoid delays. Check your Social Security earnings. Record. If your reported wages don't match IRS records, your return could get flagged. Setting up an online Social Security account allows you to check your earnings before filing. Final thoughts. Stay informed and proactive. Tax season doesn't have to be stressful. By understanding the refund process, staying on top of your refund status, and knowing how to handle potential delays, you can make the most of your 2025 tax refund. Remember, the sooner you file, the sooner you'll get your money. And if something doesn't seem right, don't hesitate to contact the IRS or consult a tax professional. Thanks for reading, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on taxes, personal finance, and everything in between. See you next time.